So students are very excited about this interview. We have Dishal Khyani. And Dishal has a phenomenal story. But I will ask a few things. I've been talking to him for some time. I really enjoyed talking to him. So Dishal, tell me your story. Dishal is scoring 655. He's from Chennai, Adyar. I love Chennai. I used to stay in Kalakshetra Colony. Dishal stays in Adyar. And all of us love Anand Adyar Bhavan. Good food, very good food. So Dishal, what is your story? You did your 12th in 2019.
Yes, sir. I completed my 12th in 2019, and then I appeared for NEET, sir, in 2019 itself. But I wasn't so prepared for it, and also because of a few family issues, I couldn't do well. So my mark was less, sir. It was 304, and my rank was around 2.5 lakhs.
Yeah.
So I knew that I wouldn't get any college at this rate. So I started my preparation again. I told my parents that this year it's very tough to get into any government college. So they were very supportive, sir. They never told anything to me. So they were like, you go ahead. Whatever you think is right, you can do it. So I went ahead with it. I again I dropped a year. I prepared for it. I was preparing, but then again this COVID situation came. My scores weren't going more than 550 in between in the middle. I knew I was doing something wrong, but I didn't know what it was. And then that went on till my exam, and it was too late to understand what I did wrong. And I ended up scoring only 538 out of 720 in NEET 2020.
Sure.
So that was a backdrop in my career again. So after that, we had counseling. My rank was around 57,000 in 2020.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was an okay rank, okayish rank. It was not a great.
It's not bad. It's not bad. Sure.
Yeah, sir. So then after that, after a few months of counseling, after the counseling was during the counseling, I attended a few counselings. I attended even the AIMS stray vacancy round counseling. I went to AIMS Delhi, but then there I went and I saw people with 600 are still sitting without a college, so I was feeling very bad for them.
Yeah.
So I came back. After that, again I told my parents that this is not done. I am not going to leave this. It's my dream, so I have to achieve it. Give me just one more year, and I'll prove it to you. So they were not against me at all. My mom was only tensed ki how do I say this, sir? Can I?
Use Hindi. By the way, Dishal is from Chennai. He can use Hindi. So he is how many languages? At least 3 languages: Tamil, English.
4 languages, sir.
4.
4 languages.
Okay. Which one is the 4th language?
Hindi, sir. My mother tongue.
Hindi, English, Tamil, Marathi.
Sindhi, sir.
Acha, Sindhi.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
So my mom was like, ठीक है कर लो, but she was having the tension कि बच्चा का साल जा रहा है, एक और साल जा रहा है. So I also texted you in the meanwhile, sir. Sir, my mark is this, my rank is this. What do I do? So even you gave me the confidence that yes, Dishal, it's okay. It doesn't matter. Drop another year. It's not even a year. It's just 4 months. In January, I texted you, sir. This was in January. So
amazing. So starting in January, you ended up scoring 655 in NEET 2021.
Yes, sir. Actually, February, sir. 28th of January, I texted you, and February 1st, I started.
You are awesome. So guys, the thing is, you have seen some of our videos. Students look very, very studious. Mr. Dishal doesn't look studious at all. He is 655. He's going to be the heartthrob at whichever college he goes to. So Dishal also does a part-time job. I cannot tell you. This is a secret which I can't tell till the time he steps into the college. Otherwise, it would be a problem. So I'm not going to tell where he's doing his part-time job. So Dishal, tell me this thing.
Yes,
what was the problem you figured out? You said in 2020 you figured out something was wrong in your preparation. So what was that?
Yes, sir. So towards the end, like towards when I started coming towards the exam, I realized that I have been giving tests. I gave around 150 tests, sir, before 2020 exam. I gave 150 mock tests, but I was doing the same mistakes again and again and again,
You
and
were
I
not
never.
analyzing what was going wrong.
Yes, sir. I never analyzed my paper after I finished it. So my score was just stopping at 450, 500, 5. In the end, I went to 550, 560. But then in the paper, because of the
Yeah.
pressure there, it came down to 538.
Understood. So this time you joined Achiever batch and short duration revision course.
Yes, sir. And masterclass, sir. Masterclass.
Oh, you were able to understand Hindi
Yes,
explanation
sir.
from Dr. Sharma. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this time you followed the schedule of the test series. You practice questions, everything done from here, nowhere else.
Yes, sir. No, 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 sir. I
So
also
how
joined
was
a test series in. I had also joined a test series in Akash, sir. Only the
you
test series.
joined a series of Akash also. Good.
Yes, sir.
So you made sure this time when you were writing tests, you were analyzing them properly. You were not writing too many tests.
No,
Maximum
sir.
one a week or one in
Max.
every 2 weeks.
Yes, sir. In when I started in February, I did 2 weeks one test and 2 weeks one test until say until May, sir. Until I was thorough with whatever I studied in the 2 years and again in this year which I revised, I was thorough till May. From June, I started with 4 days one test, then came down to 3 days one test. Then towards the end, it came down to 2 days per one test. So I
That
used
is
to write Akash test and then I used to then write NEET Prep ka test. So I used to do that, sir.
no, this is phenomenally good, Dishal. So, uh, how did you ensure consistency of studies?
Sir,
Every
actually
day.
consistent. Yes,
Huh.
sir. Sir, actually consistency. I mean, it doesn't like it's not that we have to be consistent in studies. You do it, it will come on its own, sir. We don't have to put any extra effort. We just have to be focused. We need to know what our goal is. That is more important, sir. Every day morning, whenever you get up, doesn't matter what time you get up, whenever you get up, think, why are you doing this right now? What is your goal in life? What will you achieve after doing this? And then go for it, sir. Your day will go really good.
So you were doing your part-time thing and you were studying.
No, sir. Part-time I joined only after the exam.
Acha, only after the exam. Not bad. Okay.
Yes.
So understood. Okay. So at that time, you were spending all your time in studies.
Yes,
So
sir.
what was the experience like? You found the quality of questions, quality of tests good on the platform in Achiever batch?
Yes, so the quality of questions were very good. The tests were balanced, sir. If there was a test in which I am scoring, say, 630 in any tests, the other test will be equally tough. And so my mark will go to 600 so that I have the balance of an easy paper and also a tough paper.
So did you give the test, last test, which we uploaded on 5th September?
I don't remember, sir. Sorry.
You don't remember. Okay, I was just going to ask you how much did you score in the last test in NEET Prep? And how close was that?
As to my knowledge, sir, last test of NEET Prep, I scored 612.
Wow. Okay. Are other people, I was talking to this guy today. He scored 710 in our last test and scored 715 in the final thing. Another
Okay,
guy
sir.
got 700 in our last test, got 700 in NEET. So in your case, you did something magical on the day of the exam. Heavy performance, heavy eating. Excellent, boss. So what are the colleges you're targeting? You're going to target colleges in South or in North?
Sir, actually, I'll be waiting for All India counseling, sir. I'll be entering AIMS first when I click to view. So I'll be entering AIMS first, then JIPMER, and then the state colleges.
Okay, understood. But you have seen the PDFs which we have uploaded on Telegram channels to get an idea of which colleges were closing out at what ranks?
Yes, sir. I actually saw AIMS Raipur was there. AIIMS Raipur and the other AIIMS which are lower than Raipur.
Yeah, AIIMS Raipur is good, by the way. AIIMS Raipur is good, but the lower ones are the newer ones which people aim Jammu and Mangalagiri and BB Nagar, Nagpur.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, so Dishal, absolute pleasure talking to you. Very happy for you. I cannot break your secret. That's a tragedy, which I'll do 2.5 months later. It
Sure,
will
sir, sure.
it will be with me. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
And I will shoot another video because that secret is still not out.
Yes, sir, for sure.
Very nice talking to you, Dishal. Best of luck. I'm sure your parents are proud of you. Your brother is proud of you, and hopefully, I'll get to meet you in person sometime.
Sure, sir, sure, sir. When I come to Delhi, I'll surely call you, sir.
Absolutely.